Welcome home.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
So we prepared some towel for you. If the sun coming, if you want to need sunbed right there, and then the toilet right here. After you're swimming, you can use it. The small one right here.
Okay.
You need some tea or coffee to prepare for you, and then some water. So that's it in around out here. So next we go to your bedroom. Welcome to your room, surface. Balcony right here. When the weather is good, you can see the sunset from outside. And then the remote for TV right here. This is a peacock, and then this is for minibar. Except the water, this is gonna be charging.
Okay.
So if your mineral water is finished, you just talk to the front office. You need more 2 bottle or 1 bottle. They will be come to give it to you.
Okay.
This is the telephone. And then for the restaurant, we just open until 11.
Okay.
The last order is 10 o'clock. Surface, this is bathroom. Everything in it is already prepared. The hair dryer also. That's how about everything right here. If you need special things, you just call us by WhatsApp or you can call in the front office.